Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Dear students, we were studying determiners. Under this topic, today we will discuss demonstrative determiners, right? So, let us begin the class, and all of you must have copy and pen. Because of this, you can note down all the points. So, let's start the class. I have written here demonstrative determiners. Okay, how we will recognize that this particular word belongs to the demonstrative determiner, and what is the sense of demonstrative determiner? What is the meaning of demonstrative determiner? It is very compulsory to know before going into the depth of the demonstrative determiner. So, I am going to note down what is the sense of demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative means to indicate, right? To display, to show. Okay, you can note down to locate. In another sense, you can say finger out. Okay, demonstrative means to indicate, to demonstrate, to display, to show, or to locate. It means, in another sense, we can say that under the demonstrative determiner, we fix the location or situation of noun. Okay, under this there are four determiners. First one is this, next is that, these, and those. Okay, this, that, these, and those. These are demonstrative determiners. It means these words are used. I am going to note down. These words are used to indicate the location or position of noun, right? These words means this, that, these, and those are used to indicate the location or position of noun. And keep it in your mind that these determiners are used before the noun. Okay, this, that, these, and those, all these determiners are used before the noun, first thing. And next thing is that these words indicate the location or position of any noun. We will clarify it throughout some certain examples. So, I am going to note down here. First one thing is that this, it is used with a singular noun. Singular noun. Okay, It means single person, single thing. Next thing is that it is used in the sense of nearness. It is used in the sense of nearness. Next thing is that. Okay. It is also used before the singular noun. Singular noun. But the things will be not closer to the reader or speaker. The thing will be far and far away from the speaker and reader. I am going to note down here in the sense of far. Okay. Next thing is that these. It is used before plural noun. Which kind of noun? Plural noun. Plural noun. In the sense of nearness or near also you can say nearness. Last word I have written those. Okay, is those. It is used before plural noun. Which kind of noun? Plural noun. In the sense of far. I hope you understood very well. Once again I am going to explain. The determiner, this is used before the singular noun and in the sense of nearness, in the sense of closeness. If anything will be closer or nearer to the speaker or reader, then we will use demonstrative determiner this. Okay, that if the thing or any object will be far and far away from the speaker or reader, then we have to use that. Okay. Next thing is these. It means we will use demonstrative determiner these in the sense of nearness, and things will be in the plural form, more than one. Toys, boys, students, girls, like this. Last word those. It means it will be used before the noun in the sense of far and far away. The things will be not closer to the speaker or reader. Okay, I am going to erase it. I hope all of you have noted it in your copy, and we will clarify it more with the statement. First one is this. Okay, this book is mine. Okay, next word, this book is very thick. Okay, that house is very nice. That building is very tall. These flowers are very nice, very pretty. Next one, you can note down those boys are very smart. Okay. Those buildings are very tall. We will explain each statement one by one to clarify what is the exact use of demonstrative determiners. First one, I have written, this book is mine. It means if there is no any object at the last of the sentence, we have to use mine. Okay. I have written here this, after that book. It means the word book is a noun, right? And just before it we have written this. First one thing is clear, the determiner is used before the noun, and according to the sentence, according to the statement, it is realized that the book is very nearer, such as this chalk is white. Let us take this example. This chalk is white. Just I spoke. This chalk is noun, and before it I spoke this. Then this chalk is white. This is the demonstrative determiner and chalk is noun. Like that I have written, this book is mine. Here is, this is the demonstrative determiner and this is the noun, right? And according to the statement, according to the sentence, the book is very close to the speaker or reader, such as this chalk is near to me, with me. Okay. This book is very thick, right? It means ये जो पुस्तक है, ये जो बुक है, बहुत मोटी है. It means this book is along with me, along with the reader, along with the speaker, so that I have written here this. Okay. Next word, I have written that and added house is very nice. This house is very nice. Okay. Sorry, very sorry. That house is very nice. The word that expresses the house is not nearer to me, not nearer to the speaker or reader. That house is very nice, looking attractive, so that the speaker or reader is speaking here that. And the house is also noun. Just before we use demonstrative article that. Okay. Next sentence I have written, that building is very tall. Okay. That building, it means the building is not very close, not very near to me. It means far and far away from me, from speaker, from reader, so that it is very compulsory to note down demonstrative determiner that, and it is the noun also, right? Next, these flowers, no doubt, flowers, it is the noun. Okay, it is the noun and plural noun. Before it we have written just these. It means here is not a single flower, there are many flowers, so that I have used here these, and these are very nearer to me, these are very close to me. ये जो फ्लावर्स हैं हमारे क्या है, पास में हैं, नज़दीक में हैं, इस वजह से हमने क्या शब्द यूज किया, क्या वर्ड यूज किया, दीज. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, दोज बॉयज आर वेरी स्मार्ट मीन्स दोज बॉयज आर नॉट नियर टू मी, दे आर स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड, far away from me, from the speaker, reader, so that it is very, in that case, in that sense, it is very compulsory to use those. And this word is also plural form, this is also in the plural form, so that it is very compulsory, very necessary to use here those. Last sentence I have written, those buildings are very tall, right? Those buildings, and there, it means it is not a single building, there is not a only one building, there is more than one building, बहुत सारी इमारतें वहाँ पर हैं. So that the speaker using those, and buildings are not nearer, are not very close to the speaker or reader, so that I have written here those. Okay, you can also note down another example. I like this music. Okay, I like this music. The word this is here, and it is demonstrative determiner, and after that there is a word music, it is noun, and just before we use the word this, and the music is very near to the speaker or reader, it means the speaker or reader or me listening to the music, so that he or she is expressing this sentence. I hope you understood very well, and all the statements I have noted in your copy. Okay, now come to the next point, and next point is possessive determiners. Okay, in case of any difficulties, doubt, problem, don't be hesitate, feel easy to consult. You can also post your problems in the study group. Okay, next determiner is possessive determiner. Possessive determiners. Possessive determiners. Okay, possessive determiners, it means, question is that how we will recognize that these are the possessive determiners. The word which shows ownership, belongingness, rightness, that will be counted under the possessive determiners. Okay, I am going to note down, you can also note it in your copy. Possessive determiner works as function, and this word used before the noun to show the belonging or position. possessive determiner is a function word, right, which is used before the noun. There is one common thing, all the determiners are used before the noun, not after the noun. Which is used before the noun to show the ownership or belonging. It means by this word we try to know to whom the things belong to whom the things belong. Next I am going to repeat this and clarify. Possessive determiner is a function word, right, which is used before the noun to show ownership or belonging. We can clarify it more throughout the examples. I am going to note down the examples. You can also note it in your copy. Okay, look here. Possessive determiners are my, our, its, his, her, their, right? My, our, its, his, her and their. All these words are counted under the possessive determiners. Okay, there is a difference between possessive determiners and possessive pronoun. We will clarify it. I am going to note down the examples of possessive determiners. First one I have written here, the word my. There are two words in a sentence. First one is possessor and second one will be possessive. The possessor means the subject who does the activity or action. In another sense, it is also said to be possessor. I am going to note down. We can clarify throughout a single sentence. I must do my duty. I must do my duty. Here is the word my is a possessive determiner, right? And the word I is possessor, right? Next one, we must do our duty. Sentence is same. Here is the word or is possessive determiner. Next thing is that the cat is very nice. She is licking its body. right? It means the word its is used before the noun and working here as the form of possessive determiner. Next thing is that he must obey his parents. He must obey his parents, right? Next sentence you can note down. She must complete her homework, right? They must do their duty, right? Let's describe, analyze, clarify each sentences. In the last I have written they must do their duty. The word there is followed here as the form of possessive determiners, right? Because it is used before the word noun, okay? And so the position on the duty, and who is playing the role of duty? Who have to play the role of duty? They. So that the word they is possessor. She must complete her homework. The word her is used here as the possessive determiner. After that, he must obey his parents. It means the word he is possessor, subject, and the word his is used as a possessive determiner. Next thing is that the cat is I explained it just before. We must do our duty. I also explained these sentences so that we can analyze what is the form of, what is the function of, what is the structure of nominative case and possessive case, subjective case and possessive case. I am going to note down, you can also note down this. Subjective case is I, possessive case will be my. I am going to note here. Subjective case, right, and possessive case. Nominative case you can also say. First one is I, my, we, our, you, your, it, its, he, his, right? She, her, for feminine gender. They, their. I, my, we, our, you, your, it, its, he, his, she, her, they will be their. Okay? I hope all of you understood very well what I just explained. Matter is that one thing is more that there is difference between possessive determiners and possessive pronoun. How we can clarify to it? Let us try to know. Yes, I am going to note down possessive determiners possessive determiner. It means possessive determiner is used before the noun, right? While in the matter of possessive pronoun, we use possessive pronoun instead of the noun or in the place of noun, right? We use in the place of noun or instead of noun. Okay, we can clarify it throughout the examples. I am going to note down here these buildings are very tall. Just we have written it in previous examples. These buildings are very tall, right? The word these is a demonstrative determiner because it is used just before noun, right? It is clear. Next thing will be these are very tall buildings. These are very tall buildings. In the second sentence, in this statement, the word these is used for buildings, so that in this sentence the word these is used for pronoun, in the sense of pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of noun instead of a noun. And here also, right, you can note down more sentences instead of this. I hope you understood very well what is the role of possessive determiner in the grammar and what is the demonstrative determiner in the grammar. You can also note down some other examples regarding these points, these topics, these categories, and if there is any problem or difficulties, you can discuss it more in the study group. You can also post the problems in a study group. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope you liked this video. Have a nice day once again.